Hey everyone, it's jenxoplans, and today I'm going to use the Planner Society Valentines kits to make a envelope mini album, and I'm going to gift it to my husband for Valentine's Day. So what I did was I took a 12 by 12 piece of pink paper that was not in the kit and used a cut file from my Silhouette store. I bought it from the Silhouette store and I used it in my my cutting machine, and I cut out the design for this mini album. So what I'm going to do is I took the rest of the pieces from the papers are from the Planner Society kit. So there is an envelope in the middle, and I used the beautiful double-sided pattern paper from the kit, and I made an envelope, and now I'm just going to go ahead and glue the sides down and assemble the envelope and put that together. Next, I cut out the pieces to go on the rest of the flaps, but I felt like they were kind of getting lost with the white background. Since my envelope isn't double-sided pattern paper, I wanted to matte these pieces onto a gray background so that it can, I don't know, just look more finished and just give it more pop and just really focus on the pattern. I just like the way it looks. See, everything is all matted, and I feel like that just looks more finished. So I'm going to go ahead and play around with the pieces, and I'm going to glue those down. Now I am going to glue down this side pocket right here. So I'm only putting adhesive on the left side so that I can tuck in that photo into that corner pocket. It's really cute. I love that. And then I'm going to work on all of my photos. Oh, I'm also going to take one of these cute bows that's in the kit, and I'm going to stick it on the top of my photo. I decided to back the photo and frame that as well. And then now I'm going through my ephemera or the die cuts from the kit, and I'm just gonna figure out where all of my photos go and how I want to decorate everything and embellish. So I added some scrapbook paper. I backed that onto that little die cut there so that I can journal and write a little note to my husband and tuck that into the envelope. And I'm adding a little XO piece right there, and then I found this really cute ribbon, heart ribbon from the dollar spot at Target. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and trim that off, and then everything looks good. I love how it looks. Oh, I'm just gonna add a little die cut to the back of that photo there. And I used washi to tape down that picture at the bottom. Now I'm going to close everything, and in hindsight, I wish I hadn't used so much paper because it was really hard to close. It was just really thick. But anyway, that's okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and assemble the bow that also comes with the cut file, and I made this out of the TPS paper as well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and glue everything together and then add it onto the front. There is a little strip of paper that kind of goes around the envelope. It's really cute, and I like how this project turned out. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. I will leave some links if you would like to subscribe to the Planner Society kits. Thanks so much for watching.